Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joshua Matthew. If you are audio thanks, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a church flyer using Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now go to your file, select new, and we are going to use 1080 by 1080 pixels, and our resolution we are going to leave it at 300 dp. So then for social media posts, we are going to use RGB color mode, and if it is for printing, then make sure that you use CMYK color mode. All right, so now we are going to use RGB color mode for social media post. Then you click on grades, and now this is the area where we are going to do our job now. Okay, so the first thing we are going to our documents here, and to make a copy of this color code, Ctrl C to copy, or you right click and copy it. Then go to your fill color, select solid color, then Ctrl V to paste. And here is the resources you are going to use. So the next one now we are going to import is this background here. We are going to scale it out. So after that, then go to your filter, select blur and Gaussian blur. Then we are going to blur it by around 15%. It's okay. And the next one, then go back to your resource file, and we are going to import this background here and take it around here. Then the next one, go to your blending mode and blend it by multiply, and the opacity we are going to reduce it to around 53%. Then apply your layer mask, select your gradient tool, and we are going to blend the bottom here and the side around here. So the next one after this, then we are going to create a shape around here. So select a new layer, then pick your pen tool over here, and we are going to create something like this. Hold your control key. We are going to bring this one down around here, something around here. Then adjust this one, then this one around here. Okay, then click on this one. Then we are going to connect it back here. All right, so having done that, the next one we are going to apply a color from here. Then you click OK. Then the next, then we are going to change the blending mode to, let's use this linear light over here, and we are going to reduce the opacity to around 57%. It's okay. Then we are going to our resource file and import this background here. Then we need to bring it down around this location. Okay, and the next thing we need to create a clipping mask this way. So this image we are going to change it to linear light. Then this one we are going to bring it back to normal this way, and the opacity we are going to take it back. Then while this one, the image, we are going to reduce the opacity to 57%. Then this background here, we are going to reduce the opacity to around 38. All right, so this is okay. Then let's adjust the image. It's okay. Then go back to the background. Hold your control key, then we need to bring this one down. Okay, now we are going to leave it this way. So the next we are going to do now, then we are going to import the church logo. Go back to your resource file and import the church logo. Reduce the size, then you position it around here. Then go to your text document, and we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy. Select your text tool, then Ctrl V to paste. So as you can see, then these are the fonts we are going to use. So I'm going to copy this font over here, Ctrl C to copy. Then go to your fonts and paste it. Then we are going to make use of the bold and reduce the font size. Then go back to your resource file and text document, and over here then we need to copy this color from here. So Ctrl C to copy. Then select your text tool, then open your color here, then Ctrl V to paste. Then take this one up. We need to make it dark this way. It's okay. Now Ctrl J to duplicate this one. Then you bring it around here. Then go back to your text document. Then copy this one. Select your text tool, Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl V to paste. Then go to your tool here, and we are going to increase this one. Then also select the heading here and increase this one. We are going to use 20%, is okay. Now we are going to reduce this one to align it together with our heading. So having done that, so the next one now, then we need to go back to our text here, then to make a copy of this one here, Ctrl C to copy. Select your text tool and Ctrl V to paste. So go back to your text tool here and remove the character spacing by 0%. Then also minus it by 80% to bring it more closer. Increase the size. Then come over here then to copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl J to duplicate, highlight and paste. Reduce this one, then Ctrl J to duplicate and bring this one down. Copy this one, double click to highlight, then paste. Then also copy this one, duplicate this one, double click to highlight, then Ctrl V to paste. Now select your text tool, go back to your text here, and we are going to change the font of this one. Then let's check the other font here. Then we're going to use this one over here. Then remove the character spacing by 0%. Then we are going to rotate the font here this way, then position it around here, and we need to increase it this way to align it together. Bring it down. Now hold your shift key, select it all, and reduce the size this way. Right, so for now we are going to do this, then Ctrl G to group, then go to your resource file, and we are going to bring this background, then take it up around here, right click, then and create a clipping mask. Okay, so now having done that, so the next that we are going to do now, we are going to change the blending mode to pin lights. All right, then select your text here, go to FX and select the blending option. Now select bevel and emboss. So we are going to use this code here. The depth is 64. Here is smooth and the size is 4%. The contour, we are going to make use of this contour here. Then the angle is 90%. So now go to your drop shadow, and the drop shadow here, we are going to make use of the distance, then 1%, the spread 0, and the size, then make use of 4%. All right, then click OK to apply. Now we are going to the next. Now then go to your text document to copy this one, then select your text tool, then come around here, Ctrl V to paste, take it up, then we need to release it from the clipping mask. So now we need to change the font. Select your text tool, then and the font you are going to use, then copy this font over here, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Then increase the character spacing and reduce the font size. Okay, so the next we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy, then select your rent angle tool here, and we are going to draw a rectangle like this. Then on this rectangle, we are going to change the color to gradient. Then select a gradient color over here, and we are going to make use of this color here. So here is the color code. So this is the color code. Then apply it. Okay. So having done that, then we need to reduce the wideness like this. Okay, so let's bring our text, and we are going to make use of this font, Ctrl V to paste. Take it up above and change the font to white. Then let's change the font to Gobold. Increase the font size. Ctrl J to duplicate. Ctrl C to copy. Double click to highlight and Ctrl V to paste. Then select the right angle and increase the size. So now we are going to move to the next. Then we need to copy this one. Ctrl C to copy. Then select your text tool. Ctrl V to paste. Reduce the font size. Then we need to change the font color. Then apply this color. Bring it down to make it dark. Then the next one, we are going to copy this one. Ctrl C to copy. And now we are going to bring our time icon, reduce the font size. Right. So Ctrl U for hue and saturation. Then we need to select this colorize. Now we need to adjust the color here, then this one around here, and bring this one around here. Then click OK to apply. Now we are going to duplicate this one, then bring it over here, highlight it, and Ctrl V to paste. Now increase the font size. Then go back to your text document, then make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy, and come to your resource file, then copy this one. then Control U for hue and saturation, then apply colorize, then bring it over here and change the color, drag this one around here, then click OK to apply. Then we are going to duplicate this one, drag it up here, then bring it down, double click to highlight, then Ctrl V to paste, then open the space, then select your text tool and change the font. So this font over here, then make it bold, then go back to your text tool over here and reduce the space. Then come over here, we need to grade the rent angle this way. Then we are going to apply a corner shape by 17%. Now remove the fill color and we are going to apply a stroke color by selecting this color here, and the size make it 2%. Now reduce the font size, then hold your shift key and select the rectangle line, then apply horizontal alignment and vertical alignment to centralize it. So the last we are going to do now then is the image. So having done all this one now, then go back to your resource file, then import this image over here. Then we are going to position it around here. Now hold your shift key while we are going to group this one. Then click here to group it. Then hold your shift key and group this one. Now hold your shift key. We are going to select these two and increase the size, something like this. Okay, so then come back to this image, then go to your image here, adjustments and brightness. So we need to brighten the image this way, 26%. It's okay, and the contrast, let's use 13%. Okay, then the next one, then go to your filter, then select imagenomic, then click OK to smoothen the face. Then right click and rasterize it. Go back to your filter, then go to photo toolbox and skin finder, then also click OK to apply it. So this will smoothen the face. Now apply your layer mask, select your gradient tool, then come over here. We need to change the color here then to black and white. Then select your gradient tool over here and you blend it this way. So having blended, select your rent angle tool, Then create a rectangle like this. Then come over here, then turn off the link. Then this one we're going to make it 16%, and the down one here 16%. Right, then click OK. Then come back to this rectangle, then go to your corner shape here. We need to increase it this way, so that is okay. And this one here, then we need to apply this color and reduce the opacity. All right, then copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, select your text to Ctrl V to paste, then change the font to Bitstream, make it bold, change the font color to white, and reduce the font size. Then Ctrl J to duplicate, then make a copy of this one, double click to highlight, then Ctrl V to paste. Now hold your shift key, select this one, then adjust it. Hold your shift key, then adjust. Thank you so much guys for following. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I really appreciate your following. Thank you so much for watching.